Sing the mommy misses you. Sing the mommy misses you. I miss you, baby, I miss you. Missing you hurts. I wish I could hold you tight, ask you simple questions like, did you eat today? How are you? How was your day?
Now pause, it's time to rap and flow. I find myself asking MarshallMakhubo weird questions like, Marshall, can we stop time and rewind? I miss my daughter, can I be mad at God? Marshall sits there and listens to me, then offers words of comfort. Z will come back safe, then I break down and cry.
Sing how my misses you. See mommy, my misses you. I miss you, baby, I miss you. Missing you hurts. Mommy misses you, darling. Zing, Lord, I need you. Zing, I need you. Ooh, ooh. I miss you. Please come back home. I miss spending every minute with you. I wish I could hear your voice or hear you sing. Marshall Makhubo songs, Z, life is hard without you. Please come back home, Z. Mommy needs you. Ooh, Zalama misses you. Mommy misses you. Z, mommy misses you. Baby, I miss you. Baby, I miss you. Missing you hurts. Missing you hurts. Want you, mommy needs you. Mm-hmm.